Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to our daily crypto news. Guys, here's something happening big on cryptocurrency world. Here you can see today cryptocurrency total market cap is $2.29 trillion, which is 9.16% increase by over the last day. So today total volume 88.30 billion, and which is 149% dominant. Bitcoin dominance 56.77%, fair and greed 56. So guys, here you can see BTC right now standing on 65,675.97. 24 hours it has changed 1.18%. Ethereum also doing quite good, $2,615 per Ethereum, and 24 hours it has changed 2.97%. BNB also has increased by 1.39%, currently standing on $589.16 per BNB token. So Solana currently standing on 155. 24 hours it has increased 1.09%. Current market cap, total Solana market cap $72.78 billion. XRP 24 hours increased by 0.91%, currently standing on $0.5449 per XRP token. Total market valuation of XRP token 30.86 billion. It's quite good. Dogecoin, one of the best favorite meme coin, total market cap 16.97, almost 17 billion marking dollar. I think it's quite good, and total currently standing on $0.1159 per Dogecoin. 24 hours it has increased by 2.22%. TRX currently standing on 0.1585. It has decreased by 0.76%. Total valuation 13.43 billion, and currently standing on 5.295, and 24 hours it has changed 0.23%. ADA also doing good. It's increased by 2.29%, and currently standing on $0.3641 per ADA. And Shiba Inu, the meme coin, total valuation right now 10.80 billion, and currently standing on 0.00001831, and 24 hours Shiba Inu increased by 0.83%. Link currently standing on $11.56, total valuation 7.24 billion. And AVAX, here we missed it, total market valuation 11.87 billion, and currently standing on 29.27, near total market valuation 6.21. It's quite good, and currently standing on 5.109. Total market valuation is going to up, so near going to pump, and 24 hours it has increased by 4.66%. Sui also today consolidated. Here you can see currently standing on 2.23, and 24 hours it has decreased by 0.81%, and total market valuation of Sui token is 6.18 billion. LTC 67.07 per token, Uniswap $8 per token, and total market valuation of Uniswap is 4.80 billion. Pepe, the favorite meme coin, currently standing on 4.46 billion market cap, and it's trying to pump but consolidating. Okay, we hope Pepe will break its all-time high record. And Caspa also have a gold market cap 3.39 billion, and WIF currently standing on 2.722. Total market valuation of dog wife at 2.72 billion. 24 hours it has changed minus 4.40%. ING currently standing on 22 dollar, and FTM Phantom currently standing on 0.7525. Total market valuation 2.12 billion. 24 hours it has changed to 3.64%. MNT also doing good. Bonk also have a 1.69 billion market cap, and Floki also have 1.44 billion market cap. Popcat, one of the latest token you can see, has done very well. Total market valuation 1.35 billion, currently standing on 1.37. Braid is going to touch its all-time high. So here you can see 1.12 billion market cap, currently standing on 0.1127 per Braid token. Notcoin trying to pump so hardly. Here you can see current market cap of Notcoin 0.009198. 24 hours it has changed 13.86%. It's amazing. And current market valuation 936.69 million. So Notcoin trying to pump, so we think it will break its all-time high record. So Notcoin holders patiently waiting for this move. So Notcoin will pump, we hope. Boomi also has changed by 15.04%, currently standing on 0.1035. Total market valuation 714.82 million USDT. Dogs also trying to pump, currently standing on 0.008419. Total market valuation 433.949 million. And Sundog also increased by 13.48%, currently standing on 0.2529. Banana 61 per banana. BB trying to pump, currently standing on 0.3507 Ethereum also going down. Here you can see it has decreased by 13.31%, currently standing on 0.1131. And total market valuation of Nairo Ethereum 112.39. Hippo, one of the new meme coin, here you can see currently standing on 0.118. 24 hours it has changed minus 4.57%. Total market valuation 111.87 million. Fala trying to pump. Bye also trying to pump, but consolidating. It's okay. Puffy, one of the new meme coin, current market cap 16.63 million and currently standing on 0.000374. 24 hours it has decreased by 22.14%. It's going down. Baby Bonk also trying to pump. Bandog coins also decreased by 6.67%. Bandog total market cap 15.11 marking $1 million. So Jimmy also trying to pump. Waffles, Mr. Da Vinci's cat, everyone you know. So currently it has changed by plus 14.97, almost 15%. So currently standing on 0.01334. Total market valuation 12.01 million. So Vega USDT is going down. USDT here you can see going down. I don't know how long it will go down. Where is the bottom? So if anyone can guess this, please comment on the comment box here. Or going to pump 24 hours it has changed 8.95%. Pagi also have some decrease by some points. So here we are going to watch the BTC daily chart. So here you can see today BTC currently standing on 65,690. So 24 hours low 64,632 and 24 hours high 66,482. So current BTC market cap 1.30 trillion. So 24 hours it has changed 1.37%, 7 days it has changed 5.06%, 30 days it has changed 9.48%, 90 days it has changed 0.77, yearly changed 48.71%. It's so quite good. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.